How to fix choose another phone number or email address to call contact card is not available. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you can do is open your settings, scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, you'll find the option of Shutdown, click on it. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. Open your App Store, search for the app FaceTime. Once it appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your FaceTime to its latest version. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your settings app, scroll down, open the option General, open the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just click on it and update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back, open the option iPhone Storage. Now from here, you have to find the app FaceTime. Once you find it, open it. You'll see the option of Offload app, click on it. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears all the cache of the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix choose another phone number or email address to call contact card is not available for FaceTime issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.